This is the MSI Optix MAG27CQ, and I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to know about this curved gaming monitor. To get more gameplay immersion, our gaming monitors are curved. The great benefit of this is that you can see more of your screen in your viewing field, and it will allow you to make you feel more connected to your gameplay. An extra is, if you have 2 or 3 Optix monitors in a panoramic setup, you can create the perfect curved viewing line. The Optix MAG27CQ is equipped with a 144Hz refresh rate. This gives you an even smoother motion of your game than on 30 or 60Hz. This all comes down that there are more pixels displayed on your screen, so that animations are more smooth. The position of the Optix MAG monitors can easily be changed thanks to our adjustable stand. You can tilt, swivel, or change the height. The Optix MAG27CQ is equipped with a 1440p or WQHD resolution panel. This will give you a lot more pixels than a normal Full HD screen, and it will get you a higher resolution. So your games will look sharper and a lot better. Sometimes we all need a little help with gaming. So the Optix MAG27CQ has a built-in side overlay. This will always allow you to summon a crosshair on your monitor for those games where you need a big crosshair. Our gaming monitors are packed with a bunch more of gaming features. If you want to discover them all, please visit our webpage.
Are long hours in poorly lit spaces straining your eyes? Or is the bright screen irritating your eyes? BenQ Brightness Intelligence Plus technology is here to help. A smart sensor has been implemented to detect the ambient light conditions automatically. The data collected is then sent to internal components and calculated using well-defined algorithms that adjust the on-screen brightness and color temperature. When you use the monitor, details will always be defined and easy to see. Whether in the middle of the day or even in the evening, your eyes will always enjoy perfect comfort, thanks to the appropriate brightness and color temperature. BenQ Eye Care Technology.